Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you're joining from. How are you doing? Awofade Tony, good to have you on. Thank you, guys. How are you doing? Tell me where you're joining from. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. What's up? Are we good today? Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon, good morning. Good afternoon, good morning. Wherever you're joining from. I'm excited. I'm excited. Welcome to Forex Outlook section with Mayowa Owolabi, where we talk about the Forex market and the potential opportunities that we are going to be having, guys. So, really excited. You guys can hear me. Let me know you guys can hear me. Let me know you guys can hear me. If you can, put in some seven in the comment box. Tell me where you're also joining from. Amazing time today. Last week was great. Today will be greater. Super excited, guys. Super. Where are you joining from? Can you hear me? Make sure you click on the like button, put in. Oh geez, put it. Come on, put in. Put in some emojis if you can hear me. Put in 7 if you can hear me. Let me be sure you guys can hear me this afternoon. Tell me where you're joining from. Tell me where you're joining from. Tell me where you're joining from. How's your trading been this week? How's your trading been this week? Have you made money? Have you lost money? Have you? Tell me. How is your strategy doing, killing the market? Fantastic. Nice. Good to see you guys. Good to see you guys. Monday at Odu, good to have you. Ola Yinka Akonde, good to have you. Good afternoon, good morning. Let's get to work. Yesterday was CPI. Yesterday CPI was really amazing. You guys know I'm not a fundamental guy. I purely take trade, supply and demand. But we have a team in the office that work with me. So one of the economics guys got informed me yesterday was the interest rate for the year. And if it is going to be for a year, you guys know that a lot of decision you know, will be made as at that yesterday. So so yesterday we had that for 2:30 p.m. yesterday. You can see it CPIYY. Okay, so a lot of us were expecting um, USD to gain strength. Okay, so that the likes of GU, EU, AU, NU, all of them can sell because it was actually and it's still in the supply zone. So I was positive for this news. I was expecting positive feedback from this. Okay, so when the news came out, they've been able to do some padding, and the padding made USD to be weak. Okay, so yesterday uh, we see that movement yesterday and really amazing. I wasn't in a buy position. I was actually expecting a sell position. Okay, so I lost that trade. I lost G GU and NU. I was in massive profit. I was in profit of about $1,400. Okay, so I eventually um, didn't take all my profits because I was in the sell and I was in massive profit in my sell. But it's fine. You don't win everything. That's why it's called. You have to risk little to make more. Some people won't tell you they lose trade. It's part of the game. It's part of the game. It's part of it. Don't be too like, oh, okay. So, and if you did not manage that trade yesterday, a lot of people would have lost that trade well, like lost the trade well. So you have to always manage your trade. Don't no matter how powerful your strategy is. I was in massive profit. GU has given over 70. GU gave over 90 something pips. NZD USD gave about 80 something pips profit. So it was a real massive profit, but I was expecting more in alignment with the interest rate. In alignment with the interest rate. So I was really expecting more. But when the news came, we just pushed it up and thank God for break even and the rest. So very important as a forex trader, you must always protect your trade. Always protect your trade. Always take profit. Okay, don't be like somebody who naturally feels that nothing will happen. You just have to always protect your trade. One of the wealthiest people says that what's the rule of money? Say protect your capital. Second rule is say protect your capital. Third rule, protect your capital. So no matter how much you want to make, always ask yourself, what am I willing to lose? So I've seen people make money in this industry and they got the money aggressively. They're excited for two days or 3 days, and 5 days after, they've lost all the entire money just because they are not willing to obey the rules of engagement. When it comes to forex trading, you just have to honor the rules of engagement. No matter how much you want it, you must obey the rules of engagement. So one more time, guys, you're welcome to Forex Outlook live trading session with Mayowa Owolabi. I want to be sure fantastic. I want to tell me where you guys are joining from today. Emoka, thank you so much. Good afternoon. Thank you guys for joining. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Great, 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 great. So kindly share. Let's get busy. Kindly share. Click on the share button. Click on the share button. Share, share, share. Click on the share button. Let's share. Click on the share button. Share, share, share. Tell me where you're joining from also. Monday, where are you joining from? Olayinka, where are you joining from? Lagos, outside Lagos. Michael from UK. Thank you for joining. Emoka says reporting from Lagos, always reporting from Lagos. Thank you so much, Emoka. So let's get to work as usual. We always start with what we call um, the market index. The index as the determinant of how the market will grow for that period. And you have to be very intentional because like I do tell you, the institutions, they don't trade pairs, they trade currency. And if the institutions are trading currency, that means that they decide where the market will go to. Okay? So let's get busy with this. The first one, as usual, is the JXY. The JXY is the yen index, and it means that if the institutions are putting money in yen, it means that the yen currency will gain strength, and the JPYs, you see them sell. So the UJ will sell, GJ will sell, AJ will sell. Okay, good. But if they remove their money from JPYs, otherwise you will know that the other pairs will gain strength, and you see GJ buy and all the other ones also buy. Okay, so you have to be intentional about where the institutions are putting their money. Okay, as you can see on my screen right now, JXY is in a monthly supply, and they need to confirm. And if um, this supply holds, that means that we're going to see some momentum upwards for the JPY pairs. Okay, the next pair is GBP, and GBP has been retracing from this extension. Like I told my team, the people under my mentorship, that we might see this guy come up to about 134, 13500 if this current flip zone does not hold. And if the flip zone doesn't hold, that means that GBP gaining strength. You see GBP CAD go up, GBP USD go up, GBP, all the GBPs will keep going up. So right now is in a decision zone, and you have to wait for the decisions to declare. One of the reasons why I sold, and it gave me about 120 pips yesterday, was the fact that we're in a supply zone, and I needed this. I knew this zone has a lot to tell about the direction the market was going to go. And I think I've been telling you guys this for almost 2 weeks right now before I eventually got that entry yesterday. Okay. So USD index, I need USD index to drop more into this flip zone, which is also a monthly order block, and this has a lot to do. Okay, so sincerely, if this guy holds here between now and the next 2 weeks, we're going to be deciding. Okay, because when the market comes into flip zone and there's an order block there, it could be very, very powerful, and it can take USD to the top. But if it breaks this flip zone and comes lower, that means that GBP, Euro, USD, all of them will keep buying towards the first quarter of 2023. Okay, but right now we're in a decision zone. We expect it to come deeper. Euro USD also is currently stocked in this supply zone. So we are patiently waiting. Like I do tell you, the market is structured in such a way that the money moves from the impatient traders to the patient traders. Everybody type in here. Money moves from the impatient traders to the patient traders. Money moves from the impatient traders to the patient traders. Say that. Everybody type that in. The way the market is structured is that money moves from the impatient traders to the patient traders. So when the market is in the supply zone, in a zone, don't conclude to say, oh, this zone we hold, if you don't have your confirmation there. Okay, very, very important. I need you guys to understand that. Okay, so you have to be patient to decide, and have your checklist around that zone. Okay, have your checklist around that zone to decide, because the money is always moving from the impatient trader to the patient trader. So right now we are still stuck in this supply zone, and I feel that they are just waiting for USD to gain strength. If USD can gain strength, then we can do business. But if USD is not gaining strength, we can't do business. It's going to be very boring, very boring. Okay, NZD also broke out of that, broke out of this supply right now. We're still in the second supply, and like I said, decision has to be made. Okay, decision has to be made. You can see how the market reacted to this zone. So we are still in that zone right now. Does that mean that we can buy? No. When the market is in an opposing zone, you just wait for confirmation. Okay, this is why I sold NZD USD yesterday. Yeah, on Monday. Okay, did some little profit, and the CPI result push out the trade. That's why naturally I don't trade on Mondays and Tuesdays. Okay, we only trade in our community Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. So that's that. So NZD and AUD, they are fixed in this supply. They need to come out of that supply. So what I'm seeing this guy do is that it might push up to this next zone, and if they push up to this next zone, it will give us more room. Okay, it will give us more room. Exactly what happened here that went up. This guy too can push up to the extreme, then give us that sell. Then we can hold it for 6 months, and we're good to go. Chef is still very strong, and card is still very card is still bullish, but I think the volume in it is not much. That is why we can't see G card and E card, all those cards. Yes, that's why we can't see them. So from what we have right now, JPY is still stopped in the supply zone, which means that it's still weak. And if it's still weak, EJ buy, EU buy, EJ buy, GJ buy, AJ buy. That's what we're going to be looking out for. Okay. However, we come to NZD and AUD. They are currently weak, stopped in the supply zone. Euro is stopped in the supply zone. So right now, the institutions have not taken decisions. So what we can just do is to keep trading on lower time frame if you're an intraday trader, and we'll be good to go. If you guys are excited about that, as we go further, put in some 777. Let's go. Typing is making sense. If it's making sense, let me be sure you guys, come on guys, let's do that right now. Is it making sense? Are you learning? Are you learning? Thank you so much for joining, guys. I'm excited. Musa, good afternoon. Mr. Mayowa, good afternoon, bro. Okay. Hey, Samuel Oduma says, compliment of the season, sir. Compliment of the season, bro. Good to see you. Good to see you. Okay, money moves from impatient trader to the patient trader. That's it, bro. Fine. Great, great. Making sense. Thank you so much, Mr. Alex. So, what pair are we starting with today? Tell me. What pair are we starting with today? What pair do you want us to start with today? What pair are we starting with today? Tell me. So I had a session with some guys, and I really want to talk to you guys today on risk calculator. You see, none of the traders that you are seeing making money is an 100% no losing trader. And anyone that forms that to you is giving you a wrong impression. So on that particular call, the guy asked me a question that when he sees a trade, he will analyze it, he knows that it's going in the right direction, but he ends up not picking it. So I had to encourage him to say that what you lack is called confidence. Okay, confidence. You need to work on your belief system. And to work on your belief system means that you need to practice more, trade that strategy more, so that your confidence level on the strategy can work. For example, some of you are sitting on a chair in your house. The reason why you can sit conveniently on that chair is because for the past 6 months or 1 year, each time you want to sit on that chair, you've been sitting conveniently. So your confidence level has risen so much that you don't even need to check the chair before you sit down. So when we bring that to trading, what makes you to have confidence in a strategy is that when the strategy gives you all the checklist, you have to trade it. Now, when you are afraid, it only means that it's either you are over leveraging or you've not increased your confidence level. So I will share with you some stuff that has happened to me this year. There are certain trades that I have picked this year that naturally I was 100% guarantee of those trades. But I see that a lot of time I end up losing that trade. Why? Because I don't know why the universe is structured in such a way that our confidence should not be built on other things than to build to trust in God. Okay, if not, there are some certain conditions that I have seen over and over again that is like almost 100%, but I still see them go into losses. So when they go into losses, here is the mindset. What I try to do is to make sure that I use the right proportion of my account for that transaction. When you treat trading as a transaction, it allows you to be able to expect the unexpected. So if I have, let's say, is my compounding account. My compounding account, I risk between 3 to 5%. And this compounding account is that all my 7 checklists must be met before I put in my money there. If it is not met, I can't risk on that account. Then I have a common account that I can use and test run or move in by my emotions. However, this particular account, I don't risk more than 1%. So in the community where we trade, I tell people that we don't risk more than 1%. However, you have your compounding account where we trade purely our ITC strategy. Now, in the ITC strategy, we don't see this strategy or confirmations all the time. So in a month, we might not see more than 3 or 5 trades that are ITC. But an average trader wants to trade, 2 trades a week or 5 trades a week. You just want to enter something. And I quite understand because I've been there before now. But what makes the field clear, what makes the greener pasture is what is called risk management. So no matter how your strategy is, you must stick to a portion of your strategy that of your amount of your money or of your capital that you are willing to lose per time. So let's say, for example, you have $1,000, okay, which I don't recommend if you have not come into mastery. Some of us, you've not come into mastery, but you are risking high probability. You are putting in high volume in your trading. It's not right. What do I mean by mastery? Mastery means that you've practiced it, you've understood it, you're good to go, you've grown some certain money from it before, then that is a mastery zone. And when you're in the mastery zone, you can trade any capital. However, you must not ignore that same word called risk management. So let's say I pick 5 trades or 7 trades as stretch and I lose. What it means is that if I lose, I can lose 7% of my entire capital. But when I'm right 3 times and it gives me 1 to 10, 1 to 20, I will make back all the 7% that I have lost and I am back. But if you have that particular account and you are risking 10% and you are not aware that you are risking 10%, when you lose the first trade, you lose the second trade, you lose the third trade, the capital is really hitting. But if you don't use capital management, I guarantee you will naturally want to quit Forex. And some people say, oh, but Mr. Mayowa, my strategy is amazing. But guys, there's no strategy as powerful as risk management. I've seen bad strategy win in time of risk management. And I've seen good strategy lose the entire capital because of bad management. So when it comes to management, it is what you manage that remains. But when there is mismanagement, I guarantee you that you will lose it. So I wouldn't want to talk to someone outside there today because you want to say, why am I not mastering this strategy? Why am I being disturbed psychologically when I lose a trade? It is because you are not using your risk management. When you use your risk management, you ask yourself, what am I willing to lose? Then once you know what you're going to be losing, that means that you're already aware of what you're going to lose, and you can wait for it and walk through the process. But if you don't, you're just going to be everywhere, and you can end up losing the whole money, especially when you're not in the right mode. So that is for someone today. Let me get back to work. Are you excited about that? How many of you got value there? Good. Fantastic. So please and please get ready, calm down, use your risk calculator when you have to. Don't jump in all trades. It's just the same thing over and over again. Okay? Um, mhm. Whew. Thank you, Isaac Kingbala. A lot of value. Okay, good. So the first asset we have here is GU. If I says GU, if I say GU, Samuel says GU. Okay, Chukwemeka says GU. So, okay, so let's go GU, guys. Let's go GU. Let's go GU. Okay. So, I'll be looking for a buy here on GU. I'll be looking for a buy here on GU. I'm looking for a buy around 22,600. That's what I'll be looking for a buy. Yes, that's what I'll be looking for a buy. Let's go deeper. Okay. I'm looking for a buy from this level. If I can get a buy here using my confirmation entry, then I'll be good to go. Okay. Watch carefully. You see this? The market retraces back here. You see this? The market retraces back here. So right now, see this? So the market should what? To retrace back here. So here we have actually two zones that is a suspect zone. This here and this here. So these are the two places I will be looking for a buy opportunity tomorrow. I don't see this happen today. This is already New York section. Okay. It's possible today, but I see more of this tomorrow. So there's an other block here. If I can get a 5-minute confirmation, you can look for a buy. I will keep taking it to the top. So this is my buyers. I'm not going to sell anything. There's no selling on GU right now. There's no selling on GU right now. So you have to be very careful. So I think this should still go up more. So this is my buyers on GU. So when the market comes into that zone, you check for your lower time frame and you're good to go. Okay, what other pair? I'm glad to be to ha- I'm glad to have you here. Thank you so much, Mr. Azzy. So that's GU. My bias is buy. I'll drop it on the Telegram group. What's the other one? Let's go, let's go, let's go. GU buy bias. GU buy bias. Go, 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 go. Um, okay, so let me give you guys this intraday entry for GJ. So GJ, so we're going on a buy on GJ right now. Just got into my zone right now, and it has given me. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so I will be risking some fractions of my capital here. I'll be risking some fractions of my capital here back to the top here. So be risking like yeah. So this is about 25 pips. Okay, 25 pips. This is about 1 to 7. Okay, the stop loss is uh why by market. We're buying at 16.95. Stop loss. Use your calculator. Don't jump in. If you jump in, you know you are not my disciple. On your own. Okay. 166. TP1. 166. 168. 200. 168. 160. TP2. 160. 900. The TP3. Do that later again. I'm dropping it in my community. Has met our intraday entry. EBT entry. Okay, as usual, 1% risk. Okay, so Mr. Mayowa, let me drop the trade for you guys here too. Um, I can imagine it's all right. So I'll drop it on our Discord, our I can't put it publicly, so I'll put it on the Telegram group. Okay, put it on the Telegram group. Um, use your calculator if you like. Don't use it. Be saying you are looking for money and you lose your entire capital. You're your own. The take profit 3 is 171.61. That's a lot. That's about 469 pips. Okay. Uh, so go to the Telegram group, is there 171.70. That's the TP3. So use your calculator, enjoy the move. If you lose it, congratulations. If you win it, congratulations. Go to the next trade, okay? No emotions, guys. No emotions. Hello, coach. Sorry, I'm just joining. I had a meeting in the office. Hey, I get it. Good to have you. Is that clear, guys? GJ, is that clear? Is it clear, guys? Can we go ahead? Can we go ahead? Yeah. Okay. Clear, clear, clear. Okay, good. So what's the next one? Some people ran offline. They ran offline. I think they want to go and trade the trade. Oh, jeez. What's the next asset you guys want me to check? Tell me. What's the next asset you guys want me to check? Any other one? Any other one? You. People they ran out to go and trade. They will come back now. Okay, so let's go to Adewale Shitu says, yes, sir. Okay, so let's go. Let's go. We've done GJ, we've done GU. Chim boss, just joining, looking for fuel. Happy New Week, Oluchi. Good. Hope you got the GBP JPY trade. Hope you got the GBP JPY trade. Now, if you guys are not sharing, I'm not going to be coming in 2023. If we have 22, 28 people on the call, I need to see minimum 20 something share. Help this channel get to its promised land. If I'm servicing you, what's there in sharing? Oh yeah, click share now. As a matter of fact, it is the sharers I'll be having session with in 2023. I'll be sharing my own. You are not sharing your own. What's doing you? Oh yeah, everybody pause 5 seconds. 1 minute. Oh yeah, click on the share button. I'm here to service you. You too need to share. Okay. So I posted GJ buy. Okay, and I've said you guys should always calculate your risk. Thank you so much, Prince Temitope, for sharing. Your head is there, Joe. Share to groups, share to platform. Just help the channel get to its promised land. Okay, if I'm helping you to get to your promised land, help the channel to get to its promised land. Can we continue our session? Let's go and check gold. Adeshitu says gold. I need somebody to back to second Adewale Shitu. Emoka says NU. If you want NU, second NU. We've done GU. We've done Musa says AU. If you want AU, second it. Okpeyemi says N card. I need you to second any of these. N card, gold, NU, AU. Second. Have you second? Have you second? Have you second? So we can. Okay. Official AA says gold. Okay. DJ Elegant says gold. So let's go gold then. So let's do gold. And where will I click to share? Yes, there's a share button now below the YouTube channel, below the YouTube screen. Osinachi, why are my people coming late now? We have entered GJ today now, and GJ is in profit now. Why will my people, the people that used to come all the time, the day I now gave public trade today now? Okay, everybody is saying gold, though. Let's go and do gold. Let's go and do gold, though. Gold. It's like gold is the one carrying the money today. Okay, so we are on GG already. Okay, so we want. I'll be holding up. That's about 400 pips. Okay, I'll be holding GJ to the top. But my first thing is this first place. No. Gold, where are you? Gold. Okay, so what are we expecting on gold? DXY is still weak. And if DXY is still weak, that means that gold will still go up. So if you come to weekly, we have an order block here around 1855. Okay, if you go by this order block, that means that gold still has about 420 pips to deliver. So because of that, the only opportunity for us is to look for buy opportunity. Okay? And if that is the case, I will be looking for buy around this zone. This is my zone I'll be looking for buy. Okay? So if the market comes there, I will wait for confirmation before I put my money in it. The momentum is still very high, and he has broken out of that sell zone. And you see, the other one is still weak, guys. USD is DXY is still weak. So I know some of you will say, "Can't I sell to this place?" Well, that will be against the trend, and I don't like it. I don't encourage it. So when the market comes deeper into this place, I'll look for a sell opportunity, a buy opportunity, then I'll take it to the top. Okay, I'll take it to the top. So with this, we'll be looking for about 640 pips, which is not bad. So I'll drop this also on the Telegram group. Okay. I'll drop this also on the Telegram group. Okay. I don't do pending order on my zones. Okay. So if you don't understand that, you'll be missing out. I don't do pending order on my trade. I do confirmation entry. Every zone, remember the rules of engagement that I've taught you guys. Number one is direction, which is market structure. Number two is location, which is supply and demand or flip zone. Number three is confirmation, which is the reaction on that zone. So don't make your journey end on on location alone. It's not every location is not tradable. It's not a tradable location. Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? Every location is not a tradable location. Every location is not a tradable location. Every location is not a tradable location. Okay. Put in some 777 if you are learning today. Okay. If you're learning, put in 77. So we've analyzed the index to know where the institutions are putting money. Number two, we've analyzed GBP USD, and I've dropped the analysis on the group. We've analyzed GBP JPY, and I said we are buying. We've taken a buy trade. I'm in the buy trade myself. Currently, we are in 23 pips right now. 23 pips right now. Okay. Somebody says, please, can you share the Telegram channel? Yes, it's in the description of this video. DJ Elegant is in the description of this video. Click on it. Okay, the Facebook group is there. The Telegram group is there. It's in the description of the video. Fantastic. So we've done GBP, JPY. Then we move from there to what's it called? Gold. And I said that gold has to come down for us to buy. Okay. So we still have other analysis. Emuka says NZD USD. I think Emuka has money in that NZD USD. He has been hammering on it. Coincidentally, nobody is unfortunate. So nobody is seconding Emuka. Okay, NZD USD. So I will analyze NZD USD for you. Okay. What else? AU. AGK says AU. So okay, so we'll check that. So let's do this, then we'll go back to analysis. Okay. The year is going to an end, and I want you guys to buy the financial market code book. Okay, so It's 5,000 naira right now. So use this, get this, read this. Okay, a lot of you want to hear my experience, how I started, how I failed, and how I got it right. I explained everything here in the financial market code. And the secret about this book is that you can apply this to cryptocurrency, to stock trading, to forex. You can put this on all the instrument in the forex in the financial market. Then I also have the cryptocurrency code. Okay, it's also 5,000 naira right now. Okay, it's going to go to 10,000. It's actually 10,000. I've given you people 50% discount, so it's been 5,000 on the seller. Okay, Oluchi says you didn't drop the books on Telegram so that I can make a choice. Okay, Bukola need to do this after. The admin will do this for you guys after. If you want to buy the book, just chat up with the number on the screen. Just chat her up. Give me the details of the book. She will attend to you. Okay. Then I have EduSell. EduSell is the way to sell anything online. Okay, no matter what you're selling, I spoke about how to use EduSell. Okay, this is good. Anything you're selling. So I did this for my digital business community. Okay, how Mr. Mayowa create courses, how I write books, how I have a blog, how I run multiple business, how I do my selling without having to tell people to buy. I shared all of that in this EduSell. So get that 21 cryptocurrency checklist. You guys have to have this. We are entering the bull run back, guys. Don't sleep. Okay, you need to get this. And the last but not the least that is here is what we call the wealth creation blueprint. You need to have this. Okay, you need to have this. So we've just completed for my book. We just completed the five um, the 7 battles every trader must fight and win. 7 battles every trader must fight and win. That one will be ready next month for you guys. Yeah, it should be ready at the end of this month. We also have how money works. A lot of you want to make money. You don't understand how money works. Okay, so Osinachi Ejike says, I love to have EduSell. Please chat up with the number on your screen. She will bill it to you. Okay, we have the hard copy of EduSell and hard copy of Wealth Creation Blueprint. Okay. Another one that we've just finished is How Money Works. So I've seen people, they want to make money and they don't know where to start from. Okay. So you need to understand the history of money, why money is money, what you can use to make money, how to multiply money, how to make money. I explain all of that in How Money Works, and we're good to go. So we're also releasing 12 revenue models I'm going to be releasing to you guys. A lot of stuff coming from our company to you guys in 2023, and we're good to go. I'm having an event this Saturday. Wherever you are, if you're in City of Lagos, you want to make sure you are at the Money Master Class. The Money Matters Master Class is where I tell people ways to make money. Some of you have capital, you don't know where to invest. That is where I share how to invest. Some of you, you know that money is in Forex, okay, but you don't know the classification where you should put your money. If you have $1 million right now, you don't put all the $1 million in Forex trading, okay? Exactly. The question is, what are you even worth? Okay, what are you worth? And if you know what you are worth, how are you going to balance it? There's a percentage that should go to real estate. There's a percentage that should be in the financial market, which is Forex and crypto. There's a percentage that should go into personal development. There's a percentage that should go into investing into businesses. Okay? And that is how I build my structure. That's why I don't have the time, the luxury of time. There's so much I'm crafting out. There's so much I'm investing into. There's so much meetings I'm engaging, because you see, there is a pattern to become rich. There's a pattern to become wealthy. So if your pattern, there's a pattern to get money. So if it is your pattern, if you are running a pattern to make money, it's different from the pattern to be rich. It's also different from the pattern to be wealthy. So which pattern are you running? So this Saturday, that's what we share in the Money Master class. And last month we spoke about how to survive in the coming recession. And this month we are discussing about goal settings. And anywhere you want to be at this event, why? Because we'll be breaking down the formula. Some of you, your goal next year is $10 million. Okay, let me come back home. 10 million naira. You need to break it down. How can I make 1 million? What will I do that will give me 1 million? Then what will I do that can give me 10 million? You need to know all of these questions. So we'll be creating formulas on Saturday. Don't miss it for any reason. And my event, I always like to give the free version of the event. So we'll be giving out the free event, and the people that pay for the VIP, we're going to be having the VIP session after the general session. What's the difference? Okay, so the free session, we talk about the knowledge. Okay, in the VIP session, we talk about the wisdom and the application. So that's what we do. Knowledge part, which is the information part, then the wisdom part, which is the application part. So the application part, we only have a private session with people. We do the breakdown, how to invest, where to invest, how to do it. If you have a lot of money and you are not in this session, you are missing out. Make sure you create time to be there. Okay, so it's going to be an amazing session this Saturday. I'll be pouring out my mind, I'll be pouring out my mind for you guys this Saturday. Okay, so you can go to myowolabi.com/mmc and you will get that for it. And a lot of you that still want to join the Owolabi Forex Academy. Mr. Mayowa, I want to make money. I'm not making money in Forex. Okay, so go there. You get 20% discount. That is what we've been giving. So I'm also giving you that today. Okay, so reach out to Bukola on the number showing on your screen. You hear people's testimonials of how they make money. Okay, so you can join that for 20%, $350. If you want to be in for 1 year, 20%, that is $800 for 1 year. If you want to have a session, create a plan, that's $500. You get 20% for it. You want to trade with me, you have a huge amount of money, you want to trade yourself and maximize it, we have also that. So all of that is available for you from our desk. I'm sure you guys are good to go. Somebody says, Oluchi, please, how much to join your community, sir? That's 20% of $350. I recommend 1 year, because a lot of time people want to make money, but it takes time. Okay, so you might just need to go for the 1 year, which is $800. So $800 with 1 year, you're good to go. $800. And if you want the $350, reach out to the number on your screen, Oluchi. This is where we give discount to. Don't come and ask me new year for discount. This is when you get discount. This is discount for you, jumping at you, looking at you. Okay? And we'll be good to go. Okay, so reach out, get the books. You have 20% for the books if you are buying the 5 books. Okay, 20%. Instead of 5,000 naira, you get it for 20,000 naira for the 5 books. Okay, that's the number on your screen. Reach out to Bukola. She will help you get started. If you're joining the community, this is the time to join. Okay, a lot of you have wanted to join the crypto group. This is the time. The recession is the retrace. The bull run is starting soon. You want to get ready about it. Okay, I'm also testing a robot. I'll share with you guys later, maybe next year or towards the end of the year. Okay, the robot has been working for 9 months, and has been giving like it's been giving like 20% monthly, but it's for crypto, it's not for forex. Okay, sir, you don't do 3 months. Yes, we do 3 months, 20%. Okay, I mean 6 months. We don't do 6 months. Give yourself 1 year. Either you start 3 months or you do 1 year, which I recommend 1 year. Forex is strategy, mindset, and trade management. Okay, so a lot of time people get strategy, they have the strategy, but they still lose money. Come on, guys, if you agree with me, put in 5, type in 5. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You have good strategy, but you are still losing. Why? Why do you still lose? A lot of time is because of psychology. So I've seen people have good strategy, but they are still losing because of psychology. So you'll be having psychology session. You're going to be having trade management session, and you'll be good to go. So reach out to Bukola on the number on your screen to join the Forex group and the crypto group. Then you can get my books. I'll be good to go. So let's get back to work, guys. Let's get back to work. Okay, so let's do NZD USD for Ebuka, sorry. What do I have on NZD USD? Okay, apparently, because the market is yet, because USD is yet to gain, because USD is yet to gain strength, okay, we can't sell. Okay, we can't sell. So what I'm thinking right now is that NZD will find its way to this top here. And if you go to N card, you see the same thing. If you go to NZD card, you see the same thing on NZD card. You see the same thing on NZD chef. Okay, so that means that NZD will be struggling to sell right now. This guy is taking time to load. Okay, so if that is the case, NZD USD is also in a supply, but I have an issue with this supply because USD is yet to gain momentum, and if USD is not gaining momentum, we can't sell. We can't sell. And for USD to gain momentum, that means that NZD USD will break this zone, will break this demand. Okay, so this is where I will be looking to buy NU. Okay, but I need to see confirmation. Okay, always trade confirmation. Don't trade what you feel. Trade what you see. Okay, so and we have, we have this bull run into this candle. So I think this guy should retrace back. We take our buy, and on this buy, we should take it up to the top. Okay, we should take it up to the top. So that's my expectation. That's my expectation. I don't see this guy buy right. I don't see this guy sell right now. Like I do tell you, I can be wrong, okay? But this is just my view. Okay? This is just my view. And you see GU, AU, NU, EU. So they have to drop. Then we're good to go. We'll scale up from there. Okay, any other one? Any other one? Any other one? Oluchi, reach out to Bukola. She will give you the details, and she can even allow you to lock your spot so that you don't miss out in it. Is that clear, Oluchi? Reach out to the number scrolling on the screen, so she can help. Okay, have I helped you today? Have I contributed to your life today? What will you say to my team? Okay, great. So tomorrow we have cryptocurrency 2 p.m. same time tomorrow. Don't miss it for any reason. As usual, we analyze Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. I will take your question. I will share my view and my opinion. I've told you guys I'm expecting to buy more Bitcoin at 9,000. Right now, it's going back to 18,000. Does that mean the bull run have started? No, it just means that the market is gaining some attraction. Okay, so please, please, and please see you guys tomorrow during the cryptocurrency session 2 p.m. Also, if you have a gift for me, okay, somebody chatted me up that Mr. Mayowa, you've helped me this year, okay? Chat up with Bukola, she will give you our office address. Though if you want to send Bitcoin, you can send it physically. If you want to send cow, you can send it physically or ram. Or I might know what I've trained you free for 1 year, twice, 3 times a week. Free. Okay. Send chicken, send cow, send what else? Samuel, what can they send again? Samuel, what can they send? Don't send, don't go and send something that is not valuable. For some people now, they can say they will send me, God bless you. God has been blessing me, and my pastor has been praying, God bless you for me. Sir, we love you. Okay, I love you too. You are sending 3 love there. Oluchi, don't try me. I love you too, guys. Okay, I'm excited. I'm excited. Next week, we have a session tomorrow. Then from next week Wednesday, we'll be at retreat. Okay. Yes, Samuel say you can send Turkey. Okay, so collect the address from Bukola, send Turkey. Don't send Facebook. Don't send Turkey emoji. Don't send Turkey emoji. Send real life, real life Turkey. Okay, guys, that'll be all for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Cow for proper Christmas. Eibo Samuel, God bless you. Send cow. Okay, I do get together in my house every year on the 27th. You know, a lot of my proteges, a lot of my mentees, they come to my house. Just I don't do all those display online, but they come, we eat together, we dine together, we hang, we play games, we discuss business for 2023. It's going to be an amazing time this year, guys. So thank you so much. Merry Christmas in advance. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 2 p.m. West African time. Have a pleasant evening, and let's see how JPY ends. I'm in it already. I'm risking a fraction of my capital, and we'll take it up from there. Thank you so much. What will you guys say, guys? Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Get the boots, join the community, enjoy discount. This is the time you can get discount. Okay, peace out, guys. Have a pleasant day. I'll see you at the top and not from the top, because the ground is crowded. Do your best to come up. Bye bye for now.